Hello, welcome to Sleep Kitchen. Today it's so hot and I am going to make coconut ice cream and I will share with you. So here all our ingredients I have coconut meat, one young coconut, but I just take out only the meat. And 1 can coconut cream, 400 gram, and half tablespoon salt, 4 tablespoon condensed milk, sweet milk, and 1 cup heavy cream, whipping cream. And you need blender, and I have my bowl for the ice cream. Okay, first I'm gonna put coconut cream and coconut meat. The heavy cream, whipping cream. Salt. And condensed milk. Okay, I'm gonna blend it. Okay, here is my coconut ice cream. I need to put in the bowl. Then I'm gonna put in the freezer for overnight. And tomorrow we can eat it. Just go to the freezer. Okay, here is my coconut ice cream. Not too sweet, this one.